Imagine waking up suddenly with severe stomach cramps, nausea, and explosive diarrhea that seems impossible to control. For some people, this can happen when harmful parasites enter the digestive system through contaminated food, water, or poor hygiene. But what exactly happens inside your body during a parasitic infection? Before we explain, please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to the Green Health Life channel for more important health information every week. Your digestive system is designed to protect you, but sometimes microscopic organisms can enter your body and disturb the balance inside your intestines. Some parasites attach themselves to the intestinal lining, while others interfere with how your body absorbs nutrients and water. The result? Your body may respond with one of its strongest defense mechanisms, diarrhea. But why can it become so sudden and severe? Let's look inside your body. When certain parasites enter the digestive tract, they can irritate the intestinal lining. Your intestines normally absorb water and nutrients from the food you eat. But when the lining becomes irritated, your body may release extra fluids and increase movement inside the intestines. This can lead to frequent watery diarrhea, stomach cramps, bloating, nausea, and fatigue. Your body is essentially trying to remove the unwanted invaders. But there is a hidden danger many people ignore. The biggest concern during severe diarrhea is not only the infection itself. It is the loss of water and important electrolytes. Your body needs minerals like sodium and potassium to help your nerves, muscles, and organs function properly. When too much fluid is lost, signs of dehydration can appear. Extreme thirst, dizziness, dry mouth, weakness, and reduced urination. This is why replacing fluids is extremely important. But how do these parasites usually enter the body? Many intestinal parasites spread through contaminated drinking water, poorly washed fruits and vegetables, undercooked food, poor hand hygiene, and contact with contaminated surfaces. This is why simple habits can make a huge difference. Washing your hands, cleaning food properly, drinking safe water, and cooking foods thoroughly are powerful prevention steps. Most cases of diarrhea improve with proper hydration and rest. However, seek medical attention if there is blood in stool, severe dehydration, persistent diarrhea lasting several days, high fever, severe abdominal pain, symptoms in young children, older adults, or people with weakened immune systems. Your body gives warning signs for a reason. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to the Green Life Health channel. Your support helps us continue creating health videos that educate and protect families. The best defense against intestinal parasites is prevention. Keep your hands clean, choose safe food and water, wash fresh produce, and pay attention to unusual symptoms. Your digestive system works every day to protect you, and understanding how it works helps you make smarter health decisions. Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced severe stomach problems after eating questionable food or drinking unsafe water? What happened? Share your experience in the comments below. Stay healthy and remember to subscribe to Green Health Life for more science-based health videos.